Food without a flavor is like music without sound. What if I told you that the secret to making your cooking exciting, healthy, and delicious is already sitting in your kitchen? Yes, I am talking about herbs and spices. From basils to turmeric, from cinnamon to mint. These little ingredients can turn ordinary food into a magical dish. Today, let's explore the wonderful world of cooking with herbs and spices. How to use them, why they are matter, and how they can change your meals forever. Herbs are the leaves of plants used for flavor, aroma, or health benefits. Examples include basil, parsley, mint, and cilantro. Spices usually come from seeds, roots, bark, or fruit of plants. Examples are cinnamon, pepper, cumin, turmeric, and cardamom. Both herbs and spices have been used for thousands of years in cooking, medicine, and even in preserving food. Herbs and spices are not just for taste, they add natural flavor without extra salt or sugar. Make food smell more appetizing, bring color and life to your dish. Provide health benefits like better digestion, stronger immunity, and anti-inflammatory effects. Fresh herbs have a bright and delicate flavor. They are best added at the end of cooking. For example, basil, cilantro, parsley. Dried herbs have a stronger, concentrated taste. They work well in soups, stews, and slow-cooked meals. For example, oregano, thyme, rosemary. Rule of thumb: if a recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of fresh herb, you can use 1 teaspoon of dried herb. There are some common herbs in cooking, for example, basil, sweet and fresh, perfect and pasta, pizza, and salads. Cilantro, bright and citrus-like, used in salsa, curries, and chutneys. Mint, cool and refreshing, great for drinks, desserts, and lamb dishes. Parsley, light and mild, used as a garnish or in soups. Rosemary, strong and fine, like ideal for roasted meats and potatoes. Thyme, earthy and warm, excellent for soups, sauces, and poultry. Here are some common spices in cooking. Cinnamon, sweet and warm, used in desserts, drinks, and curries. Turmeric, golden color with earthy flavor, known for health benefits. Black pepper, sharp and spicy, used almost everywhere. Cumin, smoky and nutty, used in curries, chili, and rice. Cardamom, sweet and fragrant, perfect for tea, desserts, and curries. Chili powder adds heat and spice to food. How to use herbs and spices in cooking? Here is a method. Add whole spices like cinnamon sticks or bay leaves at the start of cooking for slow flavor release. Add ground spices like turmeric or cumin in the middle of cooking for balance. Add fresh herbs at the end for freshness and aroma. Use herbs and spices together for depth of flavor. For example, cumin and cilantro in Mexican food, or turmeric and ginger in Indian curries. Cooking tips with herbs and spices. Toast spices before using to bring out their aroma. Crush dried herbs slightly with your fingers to release more flavor. Store spices in airtight containers away from light to keep them fresh. Do not overuse strong spices, they can overpower the dish. Experiment slowly, start with small amounts and increase as you learn. Here are some benefits of herbs and spices. For example, turmeric, anti-inflammatory, supports joint health. Ginger helps with the digestion and nausea. Garlic boosts immunity and heart health. Cinnamon controls blood sugar level. Peppermint, good for digestion and freshness. Cooking with herbs is spices not only makes food delicious but also supports overall health naturally. Herbs and spices in world cuisines. Italian cooking, basil, oregano, rosemary, thyme. Indian cooking, turmeric, cumin, coriander, cardamom. Mexican cooking, cilantro, chili powder, cumin. Middle Eastern cooking, mint, sumac, cinnamon. Asian cooking, ginger, garlic, lemongrass, star anise. Each culture has its own unique way of using herbs and spices, which makes their food special. Why herbs and spices make cooking fun? Cooking with herbs and spices is like painting with colors. You can create different moods with different flavors. Want something warm and comforting? Add cinnamon and nutmeg. Want something fresh and light? Use mint and parsley. Want something bold and spicy? Use chili, garlic and cumin. Experimenting with herbs and spices makes you more creative in the kitchen. It helps you discover new flavors, impress family and friends, and enjoy cooking as an art. So friends, the secret of great cooking is not always expensive ingredients. It's the simple magic of herbs and spices. They turn your meals into masterpieces, make your kitchen smell amazing, and keep your body healthy. Next time you cook, don't just add salt and pepper. Try experimenting with fresh basil, warm cinnamon, or golden turmeric. Your taste buds will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more cooking tips and delicious ideas. Let's make every meal full of flavor and full of life.